In this video, we will show you how to set a restore point in Windows 10. First, you can find on search bar and type restore point. And you will find create a restore point application here. You can click this and you can create a restore point by clicking create button. Then you can type description you want. For example, I type with my mom in here and then click create. Now our restore point was created successfully. If you will to repair on using system restore, you will find this restore point that you can use to reset your Windows into this time. That's all.